Wow, it's good to be back! Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, yes, nagbabalik tayo. For our first video this July, mag-unbox tayo ng ating bagong lens para sa ating mga YouTube videos, which is itong RF50mm f1.8. Bago lang to ni-release, I think this year, pero hindi tayo nakakuha agad. Una sa lahat, budget. If bibili kayo ng ganitong mga products like Canon cameras or Canon lenses, make sure na merong CMP sticker na nakikita nyo dito na pwede nyong i-scratch para i-register sa kanilang red app para maka-earn ng mga red app points if meron. So yung mga red app points na yun is parang loyalty program ng Canon Philippines for us para magkaroon ng benefit or perks na pwede nating i-avail once na meron tayong certain points tapos i-purchase natin sa Family Mart or other merchants na meron sila. So with the CMP sticker out of the way, let's unbox this RF50mm f1.8. So first na makikita natin sa box na ito is yung standard warranty na parang terms and condition nila. So pwede nyong basahin to. Then next is yung manual, which is, I think, may bumabasa pa ba nito? Depende na sa product na binibili. But right now, since lens to, straightforward, di na natin siya babasahin. Then after those paperworks, makikita na natin ang ating lens. So bagong-bago, the RF50mm f1.8. Guys, as you may notice, meron din ganitong version yung mga DSLR camera natin from Canon, which is yung tinatawag nilang Nifty 50 na lens kasi it would cost around 5K to 6K dito sa Philippines, and this is the version of that lens sa RF mount or sa RF lineup natin. So the question is, why did I purchase this RF mount instead of getting a cheaper one, the Nifty 50, then i-attach ko lang since merong kasamang adapter yung EOS R ko nung binili ko siya. The reason is I want to use the native lens for my camera as much as possible. Kasi kadalasan kapag gumagamit tayo ng adapter, may talagang merong difference, slight difference dun, minsan sa autofocus, minsan sa size, minsan sa weight. Since we're done unboxing this lens, let me just change my lens. So right now, I'm using the kit lens of my EOS R, the RF24 to 105 f4L lens. And I will switch to my 50mm f1.8 lens. Okay, there you have it. This is the 50mm f1.8 lens. But wait lang, let me change the brightness of my light. So there you go, there you go. This is our new lens for our sit-in vlogs or sit-in video content. As you may notice, this is the autofocus of this lens. Some of them are saying na hindi siya okay for video since this is STM motor. So medyo rinig siya kapag ka overhead mic yung gagamitin natin. Pero I think hindi naman siya audible when you're using your lapel mics. So what do you think, guys? What do you think about the image quality? What do you think about the video quality of this one right of our EOS R camera? As we all know, this lens is made of plastic, not the metal like the more professional lens from the RF lens lineup like this one, the red line there. So even though ganun yung build niya, hindi naman natin ito isasabak sa talagang hardcore use lens. Pero most of the time, baka nandito lang yan sa studio and shooting B-rolls or shooting thumbnails or shooting this kind of sit-in content vlogs. The good side of this lens is that it is lightweight and also shorter. Sabi ko nga kanina, if you will use an adapter for your camera, medyo haba yung lens nyo. And this is a shorter one. Medyo mas friendly siya sa bag nyo. Plus, meron siyang button for the manual focus and the focus ring. So, merong focus ring tong RF lens na ito. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga RF lenses natin, merong focus ring na pwede nyong i-program kung ano yung gusto nyo. Pwedeng ISO, aperture, or kung ano man yung pwedeng available dun sa camera nyo. And also, nadali ni Tammy yung tripod. Sorry guys. Nothing much about the first impressions. If there's a chromatic aberration, hindi pa natin masyadong natetest hardcore. And I'm planning to do a portrait shoot for this lens and give some of my insights with you guys. So don't forget to click the subscribe button para updated kayo once na in-upload ko yung video na yon. And I want to share with you guys some of the first photos from this lens dito sa bahay. And sa sobrang excited ko, yan, kumuha na ako ng mga sample photos na initial photos natin using this lens. So, here we go. What do you think, guys? That's our unboxing and first impression for this RF50mm f1.8 lens. If you like this video, don't forget to click that like button. And if you have some suggestions, recommendations, or comments about this video, feel free to comment it in our comment box below. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, or vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. We also do have our Buy Me a Coffee link site in our description box below. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.